Outstanding design defines the 2005 Chevrolet Equinox. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear cup holders, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and remote keyless entry. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.